again, and I also have 360 Zombie, and we are playing Watch Dogs. And yes, we both have Ferraris, and so yeah, well, I think we're gonna cause some mayhem, some troubles. But yeah, I would probably, oh man, I would probably be playing GTA right now. Oops. That was kind of cool. Whoa, hey. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I just keep on crashing. Nope, alright. Yeah. Yeah, so we're just pretty much going to be causing mayhem. Boom. That was kind of weak. Alright guys, yeah. So, he's just gonna follow me. And I think we should probably race. Do you wanna race? Oh, nope. No. Oh yeah, just T-bone me. Yeah, go ahead. Oh, she got saved. Look what you freaking did. Spare your life. Nope, I'm not sparing your life. Oh, kill her. Kill that woman. Kill that woman. She's calling the police.
I think I've lost a caller.
Yep. You're going to die. You're going to freaking die. Who keeps on calling the police? They can't even hear the freaking gun.
Hey,
We've got a situation. We need the police.
can you repeat that? Hello?
Ooh, I think I saved it. Alright, wait, hold on. Alright. How about we go to the nearest gun place. We're gonna race. Alright, nearest guns. Yeah, I think it's by the medicine place. It's a gun shop. I don't think there's any. It's by the train station. It's by the train station and the pharmacy. All right, are you ready? Hold on. All right. It's this way. All right. Are we on the same page? Alright, are you ready? Alright. 2, 1, go! Ah. There has to be to the waypoint. We can go any way. Crap, where are you? I think I'm pretty much already here. I'll cause some mayhem on the way. Oh! Get some! Oh, nope, I almost died. Yeah, I think this Lamborghini's toast. Just tell me when you're there, and I'll tell you. I'm here. I'm here. I thought you said at the loop. You said the loop, so I said yeah, it's the same place. Dang it. Alright, well, I don't know what I want to do.
Jesus, no.
You have no money. Whoever doesn't have money and I can't hack, I'm going to kill. Yeah, go ahead, call the police on me.
911, please state the nature of your emergency.
Squad to all units, CTOS scan initiated.
How can a homeless person call the police on me? I don't even think that they could have a freaking. They have a phone. It's a homeless guy. I kind of feel bad for shooting him though. Yeah, this is the gun. Alright, hold on. Seriously? Of course this is not it. I mean, of course. Well, at least we can use this to our advantage. Alright. Alright, you get the back. You can still get the back, and I'll get the front. Gosh, she went freaking Mayweather on him. Alright, I get the front, you get the back. Oh, blackout. How'd you get the blackout?
We've got a patrol car in pursuit of suspect.
Surprise.
He's down.
He's down. Freaking die. Alright. Grenade, maybe? Alright. How do you get the how do you make the blackouts and the frag grenades and stuff? It won't let me. No, it just says, like, whenever I try to make it, it says I have to, like, open the second tier or series of something. No, I had it for a long time, and then GTA came out, and then now. Yeah. Oh. I think somebody's watching us live right now. Ooh. I'll take that. Ooh. Yeah, I'm kind of I'm like gosh. All right, I got one view. Is anybody viewing me right now? Or I mean, are you viewing me? Here, I think I'm gonna check. Whoa. Oh, I got two people watching, I believe. No, West Side, I do not play Call of Duty. I apologize for that. Yeah, I play GTA. Yes. West Side. Thank you for watching.
Hey! I think I got him.
Whoa. You freaking kill your own. You're freaking mean. I don't like you guys. Yeah, I probably shouldn't have done that. Oh gosh. Did I just kill myself? I just freaking killed myself. I just killed myself. Wow. Well, teach me to do that again. Yeah, freaking. Wow. Crap. Whoa. What'd you say? Yeah, whoever's watching right now, I apologize for the misleading title off of on the Twitch thing. Yeah. Crap. Should I go with you guys and cause some more mayhem? Or, because I think I also need to, dang it. Alright. Are you ready? Let's jam. Ha ha ha. Oh god, that sucked. Boom! Goes the dynamite. Alright. Bing bong. Oh, there goes the blockers. Alright. Well, who should get watchdogs? Well. Alright. I'm taking a Lambo. I don't care. I don't care what it is. What is it? Here, get in. Oh, you getting your own? Wait, what is this? A Ferrari? It probably is a Ferrari. Whoa. Oh, whoa! What the heck was that? Was that a few dead bodies? Man, alright. Oh, there's a Lambo with a wing on it. Put a wing on it. It's a Ferrari. Lambo. Ferrari. Lambo. I think. I'll take a Lambo. Oh, and it has some. How does this chick have a freaking Lambo? I mean, wow. Especially with her style. Come on, where are all the police? Did we just freaking kill them all? I wonder. Alright, ha ha ha. Watch yourself. We should have like a brawl. Oh, no. Yep, this is the brawl. Yeah, we should do car wars. We gotta find someone though. We should find like somewhere. Why don't we find someone? We already got each other. And we should probably like, what we should do, we should probably eventually we should go and we should troll people. The golf course, what? Whoa. Why you hitting me in the butt? Nah, I'm gonna go until the wheels fall off. Just drive on the sidewalk. Oh, yeah. Just try not to hit a tree. Or any people. No, you can hit people. We should just start going massacre car. Don't act like I don't see you. Yeah, good shot, all of you.
911, please state your emergency.
Hey! Somebody shoot!
Hello, are you still there? Hello?
Yeah, so are you hyped up for
911,
Are you
please
hyped
state
up
the
for
nature of your
Fallout 4?
emergency.
You don't like Fallout? You don't like Fallout? Well, I mean, this is when I saw it, I'm like, oh my gosh. Ooh, that's actually quite
911,
awesome.
what is
We
your
got 8
emergency?
viewers.
Yeah, we
This
need
is
the
actually the
police here in
most
a
I
hurry. He's just
ever
eating
got.
whatever. He's crazy.
I'm just starting out.
Help!
Wow, all 4 viewers. All right, well,
In search for suspect now.
there's still more than 1 or 2. Huh? You got 28?
Squad to all units. CTOS scan has located and
Huh.
marked suspect.
Nice. Oh, neutralize. Nope, I can't neutralize. How do I hit it? Shoot your tires. Whoa, yeah, that'll work. Thank you. Oh, no, you're not gonna let me get in. Hey, that's not nice. Let me get in. Let me get in. Let me get in. At least get me in the back. All right, that'll work. All right, you can go now. Go, 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 go. Oh God. Yeah, you better go. Jeez, that dude's freaking trying to. Ugh. Yeah. Patrol van. That's kind of scary. Creeper van. Some call it. Creeper van. What do you mean? Oh yeah, it said somewhat of a van was chasing us or trying to come. I'm like, oh, that's a creeper van. Whoa, I could hack somebody. Dang it, you're going too fast. I want to hack everybody. No, I'm not hack. Oh God. Yeah, that works. All right, that's one way to lose the police. All right, boom, bing. Car Wars? Yeah, we can do Car Wars. I'm just still getting ready. Yeah, viewers, if you can, just let me know you're here. Favorite me or subscribe to me if you guys feel like it. It only takes a second or two. I think I haven't subscribed to anybody on this actually. Oh, motorbikes, motorbike. There you go. Whoa, hello. Yeah, I know. Hee hee. Oh God. Oh, sorry, sir. Didn't mean to hit you square in the chest with a motorcycle. Yeah. Hello.
A patrol car's
Oh, if that was
dispatched at the
GTA,
suspect.
I would have freaking got it. I would have had that if that was GTA.
There, I think I got him. There, I got him.
Oh, I just exploded
Alright,
somebody.
Stop.
Yeah.
He's down.
Can I get some backup?
I took him out.
Yeah, I need backup ASAP.
Got him. He's down.
Yeah, do you have a vehicle I can hop into? Hop into your car.
Got him. He's down.
Oh, yeah, I'm pretty much dead. Yeah. Get on the back of where?
Come on, let's regroup at the station.
I hate that. It's just like, yeah. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Alright. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm getting in the back. I just saw a green car. Huh? Oh no, I was trying to hack somebody, bro. Bro, let me hack. I'm gonna hack you, and I'm gonna hack everybody. Got him! Oh dang it, that was a system key. I don't want a system key. Well, I might. Do you wanna be cops? Whoa, hello. Yeah, you wanna be a cop? So we need a cop car, and then we need to go around, and I will shoot people that have bad things on their records. Is that a deal? Like this guy. Resisting arrest. You can? No, I don't think you can. Why do people always want to freaking call the fuzz on me?
Send the police ASAP. This guy's shooting.
Let's die. Haha, gotcha. Gotcha. Whoa. Whoa, she's drifting. I didn't know girls can drift that good.
911, please state the nature of your emergency.
Get the police out here. Somebody's shooting. I don't know what's going
Who's
on.
that bro with a hidden gun?
All units.
Oh, alright, well, I kind of got the cops on me, so, yeah, that would have killed him. Wait, I wonder if I can get on the ladder. On the, you know how there's ladders on them? I want to see if I can get on the ladder.
Distributed now.
Yo, we should just get them to drive us around. They've got enough balls. Oh, there's a police car. Oh yeah, by the way, there's a police car. All right, you can be. Oh yep, haha, you're in the police. All right. Alright, now just hide. Oh, that backfired. I think the door's open. Here, get in. Haha. Hello. Haha, shut him on it. Alright, we gotta find a way. Dang it, that backfired. That really backfired. Haha, alright. Bridge. Wee woo. Alright. Fail drift. Alright, I think we're gonna have to conclude this YouTube video right now. I will see you guys next time. Like, favorite, subscribe, and you guys that are viewing me on Twitch, yeah, I'll probably be back soon. Yeah, so like, favorite, subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube.